Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. So, the Nature Society of my university is organizing a nature week. I believe as one of the members of the society, I've decided that the best activity for the week is organizing a tree planting activity. So, a few of the benefits of tree planting activity: it prevents soil erosion. Um, a trees that is planted will hold the soil, and the tree will absorb and store rainwater. Hence, this will prevent any landslides that will occur and reduces the effect of flooding. Secondly, tree planting will reduce the concentration of carbon dioxide magnificently. This is because the trees will absorb uh, will will take carbon dioxide from the air and filter any harmful dust and pollutants such as ozone, carbon monoxide, and sulfur dioxide from the air we breathe. For example, we know that the Amazon is the lung of the earth. It contributes to the most of oxygen to the world. As a conclusion, I've decided that the best activity for Nature Week is organizing a tree planting activity. Thank you.
Okay, in my view, the best activity for the nature week is we can organize a camping trip to a forest reserve. This is because there are more benefit that we can get from the camping. For example, we can reduce our stress because when we go to the forest, we can live all the busy life and we can relax our mind. Second, we can get fresh air. As we all know, nowadays we all are exposed with the air pollution. So when we so when we go to the forest, we can get the good air and the fresh air. Uh, Also, we can prevent our body from prevent our body from get the disease because of the air pollution. Um, the third third uh, the benefit is we can make a connection with the nature. When you are camping, you get a chance to get in touch with the nature and encounter wildlife. So it can make you appreciate with the god that have created the nature. In conclusion, I think the organize a camping trip to a forest reserve is the best activity that we can do for the nature week. That's for me.
In my view, the best activities for the Nature Week is organizing recycling days. This is because recycling days can educate people to reduce waste. Plastic waste currently has become a big issue to our society, especially plastic straw. This has opened people's eyes to look out for managing our waste. The second reason is recycling day can give a permanent effect to our society because when people are educated to recycle, they can recycle more and they can reduce pollution in our planet. So during these recycling days, we can do a lot of activities such as art and craft for kids, recycling challenge, and even people about creative way to recycle product. Uh, in conclusion, I think the best activities for Nature Week is the recycling days. That's all.